got coffee, donuts, and other things. And I'm so grateful that we came up here, mucho moro. We came up on the train. How many people came up on the train? Bus, plane, cars. So welcome to your capital. Talk about Martin Luther King to the present day and discuss how we got here and those tall shoulders we stand on. Praise God. And so we're going to have a party, and we're all excited about tomorrow. We're going to go on with the entertainers, and we want to take some pictures with the Goombay people, and we're going to come back. But we've got a wonderful night in store for you.